In this video, I'll show you how to block a Facebook friend on Messenger step by step. If you want to stop someone from sending you messages without necessarily blocking their Facebook profile, Messenger gives you separate blocking options. To get started, open the Messenger app and sign in to your account. Find and open the conversation with the friend you want to block. Tap their name at the top of the chat to open the conversation settings. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Support, then select Block. You'll usually see two options: block messages and calls, or block on Facebook. If you only want to stop messages and calls while remaining Facebook friends, choose block messages and calls. Confirm your choice when prompted. After the block is applied, the person won't be able to send you messages or call you through Messenger, but you'll still remain friends on Facebook unless you choose the full Facebook block option. If you ever want to reverse the change, return to the same Privacy and Support menu and select Unblock. Use these settings to control how people can contact you while keeping your Facebook friendships intact, if that's your preference. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.